All right, today we're going to take a look at another new Zippo, at least for my collection. Now this one came in the normal Zippo black box, and the label on it says Hazmat Suit. It's got a regular insert. So there is the Hazmat Suit Zippo. Now this looks like it might be, they're trying to exploit the situation right now, but if you look closely, it was made in February of 2018. So this was made quite a while ago, more than 2 years ago. It's on a black matte finish. It's got a steel insert. Got a good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on the Hazmat Suit. So the Hazmat Suit Zippo passes the drop test. It's a pretty good one. I'm going to put this over into my hazardous section of my collection. And I believe that deserves a little cowbell. Maybe a little more cowbell. Knuckle bump.